Hello, I am Dr. Sujoy Dasgupta, IVF and infertility specialist. Few days ago, a gentleman came to my clinic because he underwent vasectomy because he had 2 babies out of his previous marriage. But unfortunately, he is divorced and he has married second time. Now he wants to become father. He asked me, Doctor, is there any possibility that I can become father? We said, of course there is possibility you can become father, but before that you have to understand certain things. Number one, what is vasectomy or NSV? That is, there are 2 ducts called vas. These ducts are lying just above your testicles. In vasectomy operation, these 2 ducts are cut so that you cannot become father naturally. But if after vasectomy you want to become father, in that case, we have to see the condition of your wife, the age of your wife, the condition of her fallopian tubes and her ovaries. If all these reports are okay, that is, there is good chance that your wife can conceive naturally. In that case, we will advise you to have an operation that is called vasectomy reversal. That is, we can reconstruct your vas so that your vas can again start conducting the sperms and you can become father by natural intercourse. So this is the advantage of this operation, that you can become father by natural intercourse, and during operation also we can collect the sperms and freeze them for future use. But there are some problems with the operation. After the operation, we can reconstruct the vas, but that does not mean that you will function normally. So there is no guarantee that your wife can conceive naturally, and sometimes even after operation, the vas may be blocked for the second times. Therefore, in that case, even after operation, you may need IVF. Therefore, another alternative option is to have IVF. Particularly if your wife's age is on the higher side, if her fallopian tubes are blocked, or if her condition of the ovaries are not good, in that case, you should not have operation. Rather, you should straightforward go for IVF, because in that case, even if you have sperms, the chance that your wife will conceive naturally is very low. So in that case, you should go for IVF. But the question is, as you have vasectomy, how we can collect the sperms from you? The way of collection of sperm is called TESA, or testicular sperm aspiration. That is, under anesthesia, we can put a small needle or we can make small cut in your testicles, that is in your balls, and collect the sperms. This is called TESA. And we can use these sperms for IVF for your wife. That is, we can give some injection to your wife and we can collect the eggs from your wives, and then we can meet the eggs and sperms and make the embryo. Then the embryos can be transferred inside your wife's womb so that she can become pregnant. Therefore, there are 2 alternatives. You had vasectomy and you want to become father. Number one is that you can try operation, or number 2 is that you can go for IVF using TESA to collect sperms from your testicles. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, please don't hesitate to write your comment in the comment box. We'll give the answer in the right time. Thank you.